Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing a 24 by 18-inch dry erase board with a magnetic surface perfect for home, school, or office use. This whiteboard features a smooth, durable writing area that wipes clean effortlessly with any dry erase marker. It comes with a sleek silver aluminum frame and ABS rounded corners for added safety and style. The included pen tray keeps your markers and erasers organized and within easy reach. You can hang the board horizontally using the adjustable metal hooks to fit your space perfectly. Remember to remove the clear plastic film from the surface before use to ensure a flawless writing experience. This versatile board is ideal for planning, chore lists, studying, and staying organized every day. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.